Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best model train kit is probably one of the most rewarding hobbies you can pick up, offering a unique blend of creativity, engineering, and historical appreciation. Whether you are an experienced hobbyist looking for your next big project or a curious beginner taking your first steps into this captivating world, this video will guide you through everything you need to know about choosing the perfect model train kit for your needs and preferences, from considering the scale and size to understanding the different levels of detail and complexity. Number 5. Wood Trick Wooden Train. It's a beautiful wooden train, made entirely of wood. No glue or special tools are needed to assemble this 405-piece masterpiece. This isn't just a toy, it's an exciting journey into the world of engineering. As you build it, you'll understand how a Revell train works. It's been designed by engineers, so it's not only visually stunning but also interactive. Watch it run on the rails, open and close the doors, and even move the steps. This is a complex model, perfect for experienced DIY enthusiasts. It will take about 6 to 8 hours to complete, developing your perseverance and fine motor skills. It's a fun way to learn about physics and mechanics. Discover the inner workings of a train and explore the fascinating world of engineering. It makes a wonderful gift for any occasion, Christmas, Father's Day, or any time you want to share the joy of engineering. What we like. It's entirely made of wood, requiring no glue or special tools. The intricate design provides a challenging and rewarding build. If you enjoy complex 3D puzzles and appreciate handcrafted items, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The included booklet of instructions helped a lot. Everything is included in the box for completion of this model. Press-out tools, candle wax, sandpaper, elastic bands, including a tool to help stretch and attach the bands. The quality of this kit is absolutely amazing. Each part of this kit has been cut with a very fine laser. The pieces don't pop out of the sheet of plywood but close to it. Tiny slivers hold each piece in the sheet of plywood. Just press gently and they pretty much fall out. The instructions did not include a word, just drawings. Each step or operation was clearly diagrammed. My son reportedly loved the challenge and was pleasantly surprised that no glue was needed. He said the instructions are all by picture. He actually liked the fact that the project took longer than expected. I saw the finished product and it looked really cool, just like the picture. Number 4. Lucky Doug Model Train Set. This isn't just a toy, it's a 340-piece stem building challenge. It's made of durable metal, ensuring it can withstand hours of creative play. It's built to last. The metal pieces are designed to withstand rough play, making it a worthwhile investment compared to plastic alternatives. It's bigger than you think. Measuring over 3.5 inches high and 16 inches long, it makes a stunning display piece. With clear, step-by-step diagrams and included tools, building it is a breeze. It's designed to be fun and engaging for young builders. It's more than just assembly, it's a 5-hour STEM learning experience. It helps develop problem-solving skills and encourages creative thinking. Based on the iconic Flying Scotsman, it's a detailed replica that history buffs will love. It's a beautiful and engaging model train. What we like. This model is made of durable metal, ensuring it can withstand rough play. It's designed to be educational and fun, teaching STEM skills through assembly. If you're looking for a durable, educational toy to engage children in STEM learning, this is a great option. What people say. This model is a very simplified example, sold as a STEM toy, but interesting to the adult modeler too, if you want to get more creative. They almost beg to be modified with all those extra unbolted holes. My son was able to put this together without any help. Number 3. Nifeliz CN 5700 Steam Train. Take a nostalgic journey back in time with this classic steam train model. It's a fun and relaxing build perfect for train enthusiasts of all ages. This meticulously detailed model is a replica of a real mogul steam engine. It's a beautiful addition to any train collection. Admire the authentic details, from the locomotive and tender to the multiple train wheels. It's a true work of art. Roll it along the track, explore its working parts, and let your imagination run wild. It's more than just a model, it's an adventure. With 1136 pieces and luxurious packaging, it makes a fantastic gift for train lovers and budding engineers. It's a present they'll cherish. Unbox this amazing kit and start creating your own steam-powered adventures. The detailed instructions and numbered bags make assembly a breeze. What we like. With over 1,000 pieces, it offers a substantial building experience. The model boasts incredible detail and authenticity, making it a collector's item. If you appreciate intricate models and enjoy a lengthy, detailed build, this is for you. What people say. Great train set, my 10-year-old grandson put it together, very good instructions and no missing pieces. It is now sitting on display in our living room. This is a fantastic set, the value is really worth it. Overall, this set looks fantastic, is a great time to build, and a decent challenge for normal LEGO builders. This is a craftsman quality kit. It does require some minimal pre-study of the instruction manual, but the manual is very well done. My kit had no missing pieces, and all the pieces fit well and accurately. Number 2. LEGO Icons Loop Coaster 10303. Get ready to experience the thrill of building. This incredible set lets you create your own amusement park masterpiece, complete with a double-loop roller coaster and charming details. Watch as the coaster takes shape, piece by piece. It's a fun and rewarding process, perfect for those who love intricate designs and challenges. Beyond the coaster, you'll build a whole amusement park. There's a park bench, food stalls, and even a height marker. It's bursting with character. 11 minifigures bring the park to life. From the ride operator to the park goers, each one adds to the immersive experience. Want to take it to the next level? You can easily motorize the lift with the LEGO powered-up kit, sold separately, for an even more exciting ride. Behold your amazing creation. This detailed model is a stunning display piece, perfect for showing off your building skills. Looking for a unique gift for the LEGO enthusiast in your life? This challenging and rewarding build is sure to impress. What we like. This model features a recognizable design and includes multiple minifigures, adding to the playability. It can even be motorized for added fun. If you're a LEGO enthusiast and enjoy building iconic models, this is a must-have. What people say. The light kits for this are super cool. Automating it with the additional motion package is well worth it. It was well designed. I have constructed over 5 larger LEGO and LEGO type building kits, and this one was the most enjoyable. Not only was the loop coaster an attractive piece with added complementary accessories, building the mechanical parts was educational as well as rewarding in the end to see it all work. The attention to the details was impressive. I found the packaging perfect and the step-by-step levels of build well done. This is a great set with lots of detail. So many workable parts that a roller coaster would have. Number 1. Revell Big Boy Locomotive. Behold the majestic Revell Big Boy Locomotive model kit, a true masterpiece for model enthusiasts. It's meticulously detailed and ready to be assembled by you. Step inside the intricately detailed driver's cab. Notice the level of realism, it's truly impressive. Its wheels are fully movable, adding to its authenticity and allowing for dynamic display options. Roll it along and watch it go. With 87 parts, it's a challenging yet rewarding build, perfect for intermediate model builders. The detailed instructions will guide you every step of the way. It includes decals for 2 different Union Pacific versions, letting you customize it to your liking. Show your railroad pride. Clear and easy-to-follow illustrated instructions are included to ensure a smooth and enjoyable building experience. Get ready to build your dream locomotive. What we like. It features a detailed driver's cab and movable wheels, adding to the realism. It's relatively easy to assemble, making it a quick and satisfying project. If you want a detailed model with a straightforward build, this is a good option. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.